guys, what's up? Shadow here, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. I'm in my little ship, my landing ship. I was just testing something, or rather looking at something, and I just realized, yeah, I think that's two lights here showing on my damage report, which means they're not fully welded, which kind of bugs me. One of them will be easy to find, because one is in the entrance, which is here. Which kind of makes no sense because they're all blinking. Or no, not blinking, but they're all on, so that makes no sense. Quite sure. But we'll check them. I mean, they're made of two components. Technically, they shouldn't be incomplete, I suppose. Oh, yeah, okay. There you go. So both components were in, but not fully welded. And then I guess there's one down here as well, which is going to be a lot harder to find because there's a bunch more. But it doesn't leave me any like calm minutes here, you know? Oh God. There we go. It's also very hard to spot because I have to always look at the number. It's always 100%. And one of them is going to be at like 80. Oh, no, wasn't that one. The thing is, because it's functional, it will not show up in the list as a red item. Because normally if something is not functional, it will, well, damage beyond the point of functioning, it will show up red list. Oh, that one? It's this one! Woo! So now, done. Okay, cool. So, let me go to my cockpit real quick. I just wanna, let's see, unlock and then press the 5 a bit so we go higher. Hold these in, and then we're just gonna, again, as I said last time, I just want to ride this thing for a bit, just see what it can do. And honestly, I also want to go a little bit more to the middle of the planet, I suppose. Just to kind of see, you know, what this planet has to offer. I doubt it's going to be much more than we already see. But I do have to say already, the planet is a bit more hilly than I like it to be. Honestly, I don't know if that's a good thing for us. Because this bad boy over here, it's not, I don't think it's made for hilly terrain. Let's just say it that way. I mean, we got max suspension going right now, just in case something is messing with us. Are we... Did we just jump, or was that me? Kind of difficult to say with this light. I think we're bouncing. Oh my God, we're bouncing. Oh no. Oh, that is bad. Oh, that's a big jump. Oh. Oh, we're still alive. What the fuck? We're so much off the floor. What the fuck? What the hell? What is going on? Oh, Jesus. We're still good? I think we lost the... No, I just want to say we lost the wheel. No. Everything's fine, right? What the heck was that? Are we good? Did anything get damaged? Wait, I do have a damage report here, don't I? Yeah, no damage blocks found. So either it has been blown off clean or... That was kind of funny. That was a good joyride. Oh, that's still running. That's a health hazard. That is not approved by the regulatory board. Stop the drills, please. Thank you. Okay, let me just do a quick inspection. I think everything worked out fine. I think if we're at max suspension, it can probably take quite a bit of punishment before it goes to its breaking point. But Jesus Christ, I thought we were gone. Which brings me... Oh God, look at this hill. Oh, oh no. I mean, look at that. That's gonna send us airborne, isn't it? Okay. Okay. So, hear me out. So, I do have to say, I backed up this save before I started playing because I kind of forgot. Well, I say I forgot. I didn't copy this as a blueprint yet, so I'm gonna do it afterwards. So that's why I backed up the save. Just in case. What I kind of want to do right now is just back up a little bit to, I don't know, about maybe back here? Something like that. And then just go for that hill. And just launch. And then what my vision is, that we're gonna fly quite a bit, but eventually we'll have to come back down, and that when we're coming back down, I'm gonna be in my ship, in my drop ship here, which I checked has full hydrogen tanks already. We're gonna be on our drop ship, decoupling from this and just flying and seeing the catastrophe from above. That's the plan. Sounds like a plan. I just have to make sure. Hold on. So I think I'll have to, first of all, I think I have to hit this, right? Because now it's only, yeah, now it's only locked by, yeah, now it's only locked by its, by the connector. So, that's gonna work. And the question is, how are you gonna do that? Obviously, how are you gonna pilot this thing off the cliff while simultaneously being in your ship ready to freaking go? Now that's a fair question. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use what's called a thruster override, which you can do to basically make your propulsion go full ham without you having to press any buttons. I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna back this up a little bit. Now, backing up, of course, is still quite of a hassle for us because, well, our thrusters only go backwards, right? Oh god, look at these rocks. I kind of have the feeling these rocks over there, they would probably mess up my vehicle as well. They might just, like, completely blow out one of the wheels or something. We good? I think we're aiming for the thing, right? I do have to say, this is like the first time I deliberately tried to destroy one of my creations that way, but there's like some catharsis to it, I feel. That's gonna be very fun. And I just want to see this thing crash and burn, kinda. That's why I made a backup, just in case, you know. But still, I think that's fun. Okay. And also, I kind of want to get to space again, and then I have to think about a new project. Because I feel building big things is kind of becoming like a favorite of mine. Alright, so let me hop into my ship, because we have to be here, otherwise this is not gonna work. Let me just go over the systems real quick. We'll turn thruster... Oh god, okay, we'll not turn thrusters on yet, but we'll have to be ready to turn thrusters on when we go. So, what we're gonna do, let's search for our Atmo... Yeah, there we go. That's our 2 atmospheric thrusters, so we're gonna call these vehicle thrusters. Right, we'll save these. And now we're gonna turn them off for now. And there's the thruster override. We're gonna put that to max. And now we're gonna search for our wheels. We're also gonna turn off our wheels, and we're gonna find the propulsion override, it's called here. Now, we should be able to find this and this group. Turn them both on. There we go. Okay, so I just have to be ready because I have to press button 4 and button 6 if we want to go lift off. Oh shit, the parking brake is still on. But I think I can brake. There we go. There we go. Alright. Alright, we're going. I don't think we're gonna be at max speed when we lift off here, but it's gonna be good. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here he goes. Oh, is it even gonna... Oh, God. Okay. Fly, my son. Fly. Fly to unknown shores. Oh, Jesus. That was a bit... I do have to say, that was a little bit anticlimactic. I do have to say. Oh, no. I thought I would make... Oh, you could actually see the dent it made into the ground there. Jesus Christ. Alright, farewell, my friend. It's been fun. Been very fun. But I think I'll have to find some new challenges. And for that, I want to go to a new planet. Let me think. What planets have we not explored yet? I mean, we've been to Earth, Mars. I guess we haven't been to the Moon. So we have the alien planet over there, and I'm pretty sure, isn't there like, what's it called? The ice planet? Triton, I think? Right? I'm not quite sure if it's Triton or not, but, that's definitely a thing. So, yeah, maybe we'll try that as well. But, I think you can see the dent from space that we made. Oh man, I think that's Earth over there, isn't it? That is Earth, and it's Moon. Then we have the alien planet. I'm not sure if we have any other planets. I mean, I can check it in the tools, I guess, what planets we have, but I don't see another one right now. What are we on gravity-wise? What are we on? 0.65, so we're about halfway through the atmosphere. It's good. I'll have to kind of turn on the what's it called? The our waypoint that we set for our ship. I'm pretty sure we set a waypoint on our ship. Our big mothership, right? So that's definitely something we're gonna go back to. It's gonna take a little while. I don't think I can spot it from here, can I? It's pretty big, but I don't think I can spot it because we were like at least like 20 kilometers away from it, I think. But we'll see. We're on 0.41 G. We're getting close to the atmosphere's edge. It was fun on Mars, I do have to say. It was a fun little challenge. And we did some interesting engineering, but I think it's time for new adventures. And I think either the alien planet would be interesting to do, which I'm still considering just turning on the spiders, just so we have like an opposition to work against, you know? So we have to go in prepared, in a way. That would be interesting. And also, maybe asteroids? I'm not sure, but turning on spiders and going to the alien planet is definitely an option, I think. You know? So, we'll consider that. What are we at? 0.25 G. Yeah, we're soon out of the atmosphere. But, I think our ship didn't get damaged, right? No. Good. Because that was one of my worries, that when I, when the whole thing crashes, that, you know, the ship would kind of get flung away and get trashed too, and then we would be stranded, and then we have to basically, well, we didn't have to start from zero, we still have a base down there, you know what but still, that would have been kind of lame. Oh god, okay. It was fun while it lasted. But yeah, seriously, I've also got kind of annoyed, not annoyed, but tired of the pure frickin' sand aesthetic that's going on there. So, maybe for the best. Maybe for the best that we leave this dusty old ruin here. Go to new adventures. Almost out. 0.15 now, so not long. We should be out, and then we can check our waypoints and everything. Then we're gonna find our ship, and then we're gonna I think we're just gonna get close to the alien planet, and then we'll have to kind of, you know, plan ahead. I definitely think we need some magnesium, for example, because we'll need to go down there guns loaded, because spiders are gonna be everywhere, I think. Ooh, shit. Am I running out of oxygen? Is that a thing? Oh, wait. Can I just... Ooh. Oh, crap. Hold on. Do I have my doors open? Ooh, that's not smart. That's not smart. I still have my... Yeah, I still have my doors open, I think. Huh? Okay. Ooh, that is definitely not good. Where's my survival constructor? Oh, okay. So we do have oxygen, but for some reason we're not having an atmosphere in our ship. No, we're not having an atmosphere. That's weird. I'll have to check that out once we're out of gravity, which should happen soon. But that's weird. That's very strange. It shouldn't happen like that. Okay. Either there's either a hole somewhere, or I do not have enough oxygen to fill the entire like ship. Okay, I think we're not quite out. 0.07, almost. Is that 40? Is it at 40,000 that we leave atmosphere? Not quite sure. Something like that. 38, 36, 37, 38 might be right. I love it that we have energy for 36 days. That's pretty sweet. So energy-wise, we're definitely good. It's kind of funny. I check hydrogen, I checked energy, didn't check oxygen. Not even close. So yeah, I think it's 40,000, right? We'll be paused in a second here. And we're good. Okay, okay. Very good. So, let me check this. So, our... Oh, is it set to... Oh, did I set it to depressurize? Oh, that's the problem. Okay, I set it to depressurize because we left the doors open all the time. So it would make sense to have it produce energy anyway. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that was one of the pirate bases, isn't it? That we still haven't really found. All right. So time for some orientation. GPS. Let's turn off all the Mars stuff. We don't need that anymore. Now, I think I made a... Let's... Base? Didn't we, like, make a checkpoint somewhere? Or is it something like this? Nope. It's kind of funny that antenna is still broadcasting to us. Why are we still... Oh, it's because I think the whole setup with the thrusters on hinges, I think, is a problem. But yeah, okay. So let's see, do we have this? I think it's base 2, isn't it? Is that base 2? Let's see. It's base. Oh, I didn't activate. Activate now? Really? Was it that far away? I wasn't aware that it's that far away, but I mean, geez, yeah, right. Let's... Whoop. I still find that a great system, by the way, that works. Okay, we'll just accelerate to maximum capacity, and then I guess we'll just have time to think, I suppose. You know? it is what it is. We'll have to travel here for a while. I mean, again, I think the going to the alien planet with spiders on and then just going, kind of treat it as a military invasion. I'm kind of obviously I'm thinking of like Starship Troopers kind of thing, you know, against the bugs. I'm kind of thinking of that kind of movie. But I think it would be fun to design something a bit more military style, because so far most of our stuff has been like survival based, very much, you know, mining and survival first, protection, meh, if we can afford it, if it's okay. But for the most part we didn't really need that. So would be interesting to kind of navigate myself into a situation where I need that military power, that military prowess, so to speak, and also, you know, just from a mindset, go right into that more military thinking. So I'm talking heavy armor. I'm talking before we. I was kind of thinking, you know, before we land on the alien planet, and we would do something like, oh, we have to first clear the landing zone via a interplanetary bombardment, or like you know, from an orbital bombardment where we could design some sort of weapon system so we can bomb the shit out of the planet before we go there. That would be kind of fun, I think, right? I'm thinking that would be very interesting. So yeah, I'm kind of thinking something along those lines. We'll basically make a space station outside of their the atmosphere, then design a weapon system that basically chucks bombs at them, and then we'll watch the effect of it, and then when we deem the landing zone clear, we'll have to have a landing ship, like an armed landing ship that can basically turn into a mobile fortress or something that sets up and defends us while we are basically building our base there, something like that. But yeah, that would be interesting. So I think one of the first things we'll have to do, most likely, is to farm a ton of magnesium, and also more what ore am I looking for? Uranium, because rockets and especially when I'm thinking of planetary bombardment, bombs, you know, warheads, I think they need nuclear material, aka uranium, so something like that. What I also could do is to look if there's any mods that make like the alien planet a bit more challenging, because I don't know how crazy that planet is from a, you know, challenge point of view with just spiders. Obviously spiders, the problem with spiders is they're not really a danger to me, let's say. So we'll have to see. Maybe there's mods that kind of give more interesting stuff to this planet, you know. It would be fun if there would be some sort of actual defense system for me to take out. Although that gives me kind of an idea. I'll have to think about something. But I don't want to kind of like spoil it yet. We'll have to see. But I think this will be like a new chapter where we're going from basically space engineer survival style to a more, let's say, a more combat driven style. I don't know. That would be kind of funny though, I have the feeling. But first, obviously, we would have to send a scout to the planet, I suppose, because, you know, we want to kind of see what we're dealing with, right? So that's probably gonna be first. Well, just go there, establish a base, establish like a scouting ship, like a way to observe the alien planet. Scout. Some description. Wait, I have to, let's activate dampeners real quick, because I need to make sure that we're on freaking point here. The thing is the freaking the hinges, the movement of the hinges and everything kind of throws the the ship's aim off a little bit. Well, I think we're flying in the right direction, but sometimes the nose starts to dip because of the, you know, the configuration. But yeah. So yeah, I have an idea how we're gonna continue this, but maybe we're gonna make it like a cut and then call the series forthcoming the next season, so to speak, because it's gonna be maybe a little bit different from what we're used to. But I think it would be a nice, like, a change up to do a little bit more aggressive and a little bit more explosive and you know, a little bit more destructive devices. Also, I was just thinking, this thing here, I would almost rather replace this with one of the new programmable block from this just the last freaking DLC. What was it called? This one. That would fit very nicely there, right? Into the corner. What is running on this? I think it's just... Oh, wait. Ooh, I have to just check what is running. What is running on this? It's just the automatic LCD. Because if it's... Yeah, I think so. This is the automatic LCD thing. I think I have a secondary programmable block that runs the script for the thrusters. Because if I reset... not reset it, but... Let's see. Yeah, I have two programmable blocks. So we have this one, which runs automatic LCDs manager, and then this one, which is the... Whips upgrade. Yeah, it is the right. Why is it on script? That's weird. Well, we'll just leave it. But I think this one, we can probably grind this down without too much trouble, yeah? Does this have the same requirements as this one? I think it does. So we can grind this down and then just replace it with this more neat looking. Yeah. Look at that! And it gives us a little bit more space to walk around as well. Isn't that cool? So let's give us the automatic LCD script. Okay. Cool. These should still be running. It's booting up. There we go. Excellent. Stop distance, 160 kilometers? That's not right. Because then we would have to stop right now, and that's not true. We're still far off. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop this for today, because honestly, for this, another 120 kilometers, there's not much gonna happen. So yeah, I think we'll just have to, you know, postpone this. And travel will happen on the next episode, but I'm fairly certain that the alien planet is going to be the next chapter in this series here, and we're gonna have some fun, I think. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and take care.